Player flights are used in individual player versus field competitions to separate the playing field for the following reasons: to organize the tee sheet by flight so that players will only be grouped with others in the same flight, and to separate tournament competitions by flight so that players will only compete with others within their flight. Before creating flights, go to Event, Event Profile, General Settings tab, and make sure the event is using multiple flights. You can create flights at two different levels. Event or league level flights are used for the entire event or league. In most cases, these will be the flights you'll need to create. The lesser used flight level would be round level flights. These level of flights are only used for a specific round. An example would be a weekly league that plays a different format every week. In one round, flights are needed for the competition being played in that week. In this case, round level flights will need to be created for that round so that they don't affect the other rounds in the league. To create event or league level flights, go to Golfers, Event Divisions Flights Teams. To create round level flights, go to the Rounds menu, select the round, then Round Divisions Flights and Teams. After going to Divisions Flights Teams, you can create player flights for individual competitions by clicking Manage Flighty Golfers. As you can see, there are a few different ways to create player flights. You can autofill flights using a few different methods. You could enter the total number of golfers per flight, or you can enter the total number of flights you'd like to create. Then, the flights can be created by handicap index, course handicap, or entry number. A player's entry number is determined by the order in which they were entered into the event. If you have a past round with tournament results, you can generate flights using the past results. An example would be a 36-hole stroke play tournament where the field is flighted after round 1. If player birth dates are stored in the event roster, you can create flights by establishing an age range. You can also separate flights by age and gender. This method is popular for junior events with different age groups. If you have a custom field in the event that defines the flights, you can select and use that custom field. You can also manually create flights. To do this, enter the name of the first flight, click Next, select the players, and click Save. Click Add New Flight, and repeat the steps to add any remaining flights. Regardless of the method used to create player flights, you can always edit the flight names and delete flights. You can also edit the membership of the flights. If you've auto-filled flights using certain parameters and changes have been made to the player roster that affect the flights, you can refill the flights using the same parameters. The updated flights will then reflect the changes. Thanks for watching this video. For more help with using Golf Genius, click the help icon to check out our knowledge base.